How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. I have been out of town the last couple weeks, had some videos scheduled up for you guys, so I'm hoping that this video you're watching right now will go out today on Sunday, but if it doesn't, that's why I've just been out of town. I was driving home, broke my glasses, so hence the weird little banding. I feel like I'm in some old like nerd movie or something, I don't know, but anyways, I've got something very exciting for this video. So I think it was back in June, I placed an order for a new set of mirrors for the NC Miata. I wanted to get carbon fiber to match the hard top, the rear spoiler, and things like that. So it took a while to get them. They actually were delivered when I left, which was September. They weren't supposed to get here until October, but they arrived early, which is awesome because now we get to throw them on earlier than expected. So I really couldn't help myself. I had to open these right away. Like literally the first thing I did when I got home besides unpack was open these mirrors. And here they are. So these are purchased through Nengun. They're like a Japanese distributor, basically. These are branded as Murakami Motors, which is a little race team, race shop, and they race in the Super Taikyu series in Japan. And the mirrors, at least, look like they're by M Racing, which is Magical Racing. So I think that these are designed in-house and put together by Murakami Motors, but they are built with products from Magic Racing. So all of these little Japanese companies, little shops in Japan racing, making cool parts like this. So I'm super excited to have these. So here is their little folder that it comes with, Murakami Motors, and there's their Instagram there. Definitely go check them out. They've got some cool stuff on there. They just race Miatas in Japan. Super awesome. Comes with the little gasketing and some bolts to mount to the car, which is great. The reason why I didn't go with the APR or craft square is I've seen people do those. They're really cool mirrors. They're all generally kind of the same design and everything, but I wanted to do something just a little bit different. I found the smaller company, put the order in, waited. I just thought, you know, it'd be cool to have something a little bit different than other people have, which is why I went with the Murakami Motors set. With this install, we are going to need to take the door cards out, disconnect the stock mirrors, take them out. I know I've done like a mirror video before, swapping the copper red to the black mirrors. Here is the viewing from the passenger side. So if you're driver, you're kind of looking in like that. So that's what the mirror looks like stock. It's gonna be generally the same thing. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go check it up in the corner here, but otherwise I'm gonna get the door open, off, and then we're doing a little something to the other side of the door, which will be in another video coming up on the door handles. So if you're curious about door handles, I'm doing kind of the Miata 101 thing again with that. So yeah, doors out, cards off, mirrors off, install the new one. And the first mirror is on. Very easy to install, so you will get this little ghosting ring around here, but I think we'll be able to buff that out just fine. It's not really that noticeable anyways, but there it is. It looks really, really cool. Just adds like some little race flair to the car overall. There it is from the side. So really cool. You can kind of see the difference between the two mirrors there. I think that looks way cooler. So there's carbon fiber mirrors. Some people call them like F1 style, race style, you know, whatever. I think that looks awesome. And the carbon fiber match, you know, obviously these are 3 different parts from the spoiler to the hardtop, but there's the carbon fiber on the mirror, carbon fiber on the roof. So it's all really close. I mean, it's definitely carbon fiber, and it is real carbon fiber as well. So that's definitely a bonus. And I will say the view is a little bit different. It's hard to tell because one, the mirror is tinted blue, so it's really not focusing on it well, but it's a little bit wider. It's actually a lot wider, so it's kind of jarring the first few times I look into it how much more you can see. Like you can see more, but it's a smaller mirror, so it's gonna take some getting used to, but really cool from the inside too. So with that, I'm gonna close out the video here. Mirrors look awesome. Can't wait to get the car out into the sunlight and take some more videos of it. Right now, I still need to go get an alignment after doing the tie rod, so can't really drive it anywhere. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I will see you in the next one.